here's the dilemma of my whole process this week. I've been running my Traxxas RC car, the 2-wheel drive Traxxas Raptor model, but I've already had to replace this once, an internal part in it. But now we're replacing the antenna. If you all have ever had this problem and you just cut down this wire, yeah, it does drop your frequency down a whole ton. But here's what we're gonna do. You have your Traxxas slash, you have 2 little clips right here. You have another big clip right there. Everybody doesn't tell you to pop those 2 clips and then pop this. Yeah, no. What you want to do is pop that little clip. Now I'm going to try to do this with one hand since I'm using my phone today, but we'll find out if I can. But here, we'll just do this to you guys. You just take it, you put your screwdriver in there, push back, it basically pops it out. But yeah, what you gotta do is once you pop that, just pull back slightly, push backwards, and it pops right out. Now that I can get you a better focus, right where my index finger is, that little white plate is your LED, and then right here, above my thumb, is your button for your link. Now, when you pull this out, you want to make sure that this little foam padding comes with it, because that's what the sticky part is. You want to make sure that's on this plate. Now, when you pull this out, what you want to do is pop it from this side, and you basically want to pop it out slowly, like that. Now, what we're going to be doing is, right here is your ground. That's your positive. That's what sends all your current for your receiver. This just keeps it negatively grounded. Now, I don't know if we're going to be able to see this, but we're going to try to. Yeah. See that little teeny tiny wire that's just frayed out right there? That's the inner wire. The little casing that's around that, it's another wire that's sending electricity. Okay? Now what we're going to do is, you want to find a laptop or a router. You want about 2 foot of cord. This is what it's going to look like if the camera ever focuses in. Let's see if I can get it to focus down. Yeah, right there. See, that's the inner wire. You don't want that. So basically, you're just gonna snip it off right there. But what you want to do is take a soldering gun. I'm not gonna do this right now on camera, but I'll bring it up and show you guys the finished one when I split it up. But you want to unsolder that and this, but unsolder the back half first, then do that one. And then take this cord off, and then prep this wire. And what you want to do is there's going to be a little inner casing in there, wrapped around the inner wire. You want that on there. You want it about yay long on one end. So about an inch and a quarter to inch and a half. Inch and a half is going to be your best. And then on the other end, what you're going to want to do is mark your wire here to here. Take off the just black covering, and then take off just enough of the coating to that. You want to leave the plastic coating and the little inner wire in that inner coating, but have the outer coating connect right there, and then your black's right there. What you can do is run it back through, put your casing back on, snap it together, put it back in your car, and you're done. Literally that simple, and you don't have to spend $35 on a chip. Literally, a chip. Here, I'll show you how big this thing is compared to your hand. It's important, but it's that big. 35 bucks for that. So if you can spend no time at all finding a wire that's insulated like that, that's a receiver wire for like Wi-Fi or anything, it'll be a lot cheaper. If you can find one that's a Wi-Fi wire, it's going to be a little bit thicker. It's going to give you a lot better frequency and a lot better range. And if you can, take just a tiny piece of metal and stick it on the end of this and crimp it down. Extend your range out too. But until next time, have fun.